it's raining, heading to my site.
Okay, pardon. Please be on.
Right. Rodo. Hey. Go straight. Ghana Road for you. Yes. Heading to my site. It's actually raining today. Yeah, keep going straight up. So I'm going to my building. I took a taxi. Ghana for you. Right here. Right. Yes, my people. Would you believe it? My roof went on. I've been coming here now for over 10 days. And it never rained. And now the roof is on. It rained. Blessing. Hey. I am so happy and comfortable in my home. And it's raining today. The roof is on. I can see if there will be any leaks anywhere. The carpenter has to come to finish up some work before the electrician and the POP guy come in. So, oh, look at the rain. The water is falling from the spout. So we have water, rainwater, rainwater. See that? I'm blessed too. I am blessed with rainwater. Look at that. There's so much to be done. We have already set for the wardrobes in the bedroom. And the TV. Down to another site. In the back where they're doing another building. It's beautiful here. And it's cool. We did some marking for the pantry where we're going to be setting all the cupboards, the burners, the exhaust, the cabinets. So I had my cabinet guy came in already. He's gonna do all my cabinets, my bed. So I'm here today at my site. Its humidity is high, but it's still warm and nice. Yes, my people, it's hot. See my outfit for the day? It's hot in Ghana. Oh. I don't even know use wear makeup in Ghana because it's not going to work. And since I got here, my skin has changed. So it was working out perfectly. I'm telling the truth. I've never known Ghana would be this nice. Start building a home and I hadn't been here. So if I had my way, I won't leave. But I have to go back and come back. So I will be back. It's sad to know I have to leave. Oh.